Okay, here we are. This is our third time to Mt Ellinor this year. First time was tough. Second time it was tough, but it was okay. This is the third time. So here, I'll just point out. So we got this gorgeous day going on. There's a little bit of cloud cover. We're at least gonna go to the tree line. Depending on how we're feeling, we might go to the summit.
It's 1.75 miles to the summit from here, but it's about 2,400 feet of elevation gain.
Which is about twice as much as we've ever done in one go.
Let's go.
All right, so we'll see you on the other side. Bye. All right, we're about an hour into it. We've gone 4,000, oh my God, 3,400 steps, so a little over a mile. We're only about halfway, so clouds have started rolling in. It's still pretty magnificent out here. Anyway, found this little rocky outcropping. We're almost to the tree line, so after that, no more shade. All right, so see you on the other side. Bye. Okay, we are an hour and 30 minutes into our hike. We are definitely almost above the tree line now. Definitely, it's lots of clouds. The peak is right there. Can you see it? Yeah, me neither. Anyway, it's very rocky, very steep, and our 61, 59-year-old legs are at the point where, what'd you call it? Either challenging or
It's not fun anymore.
not fun anymore. So we're right on that.
We're working it.
We're 5,400 steps into the day. So we started at 400. So this is 5,000 steps. And we're taking our first official break. We did have a small water break, but we had a snack. Anyway, we're going to keep pushing.
It's a killer.
Okay, so what time is it? Push the button.
11:39.
Okay, so we've been rolling for
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Let's see. 7,400 steps, so 7,000 steps to this point. Elevation gain is over 2,000 feet. Where our poor little legs.
A lot of stairs.
A lot of stairs. And it's steep. So we're gonna call this one good.
For this attempt.
Yep. Attempt number 3. Attempt number 4, it's another 20 minutes, but we're both we're having leg issues.
Low pooped.
Yeah, and we're tired.
Snack.
So we're gonna rest here.
It's so foggy, so we can't see any of the views around us.
Yep. No, it's
It's not moving.
but it's beautiful up here.
Yeah.
What we can see. All right. So we'll see you back down at the bottom. We're making electrolyte mix. Somebody's legs are tweaking bad. No, we're going downhill. We're probably 14,000 steps into it. It's what? 140. Oh. How many hours is that? 4.5?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we're back in the forest again.
Still foggy.
Still kicking it. Okay, everybody. I'm only gonna say this once. That's fun. Anyway, so 16,200 steps, 5.5 hours, 2,000 feet of elevation gain. We didn't summit, but it was a personal best for us. We're both super happy, and we got some amazing pictures. I was able to fly my drone. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. Bye.